welcome to this heavy sauce tutorial. I'm going to cook the heavy sauce just for you. Bien frais en plus qu'on va vendre. 3 jours. Tiens, Yves, c'est pas grave, on tourne la vidéo après. We are now ready to mix everything together. I'm gonna first mix only the chilies. I'm gonna add the lemon juice. Next, the rest. Don't forget the pepper. The additional chili flavors. This one, but not too much. Yeah. Oh, I got some in the eyes. No, it's okay. Safety glasses. Well. Et voilà. Don't forget to taste the sauce. So I'm gonna put the final touch, packaging. Well, and I forgot to add several things, but if you like, you can add like curcuma, either fresh or just like in powder. Comasio is really fine in it. Some cashews or anything, really anything you like. Indian dried chili, anything fits. Dites oui à la lourdeur.